headed to Augusta, Georgia to a pull apart.
Watch out, pothole on road ahead.
Watch out, there's something on the road ahead. So Desmond, a fellow Toyota van owner, had gone down to this pull apart earlier today and checked it out. And he messaged me back because I had messaged him to let him know that I'm looking for some captain's chairs. As it turns out, the photograph showed that it has a couple of captain's chairs. It's the color that matches Krusty, and they're in really good shape. So I am hustling down 3.5 hours away to go and see if I can grab these things. And being that I only have 30 minutes on this particular card, I'm going to be very careful about how much I film. That being said, I'll grab a few little pieces and parts and let you sort of be a voyeur on this little trip. So far, the Previa is holding its own. I'm at 268,000 miles on this vehicle. It has a huge cavernous back. I've folded up the side chairs and swiveled the captains around, so I've got a lot of space. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can fill that up with a few items from this Toyota. We'll see how it goes. This is right. This might be taking me on a wild goose chase. We'll see.
In half a mile, turn right.
Like the ride. South Carolina. Funky. Johnston, South Carolina. till they close. Well, I made it down here and there's the van. These are what I'm here for. We'll see if I can get them out. I've got 2 hours to work on it. Some pretty sweet wheels. Stinks that the door handle's broken. Trashed. That could probably be polished out. Old stereo. Original Toyota stereo. It's destroyed. There's a bunch of pieces and parts that are still usable, but I don't have time. This is destroyed. Okay, let's see if we can get on these guys and get them out of here. Well, I feel like it was a success. I got both the rear seats and I got the front seats up here. I would have taken the radio, but the cassette player face is broken. The spider is warped and has a crack in it. It's not worth messing with, really. There's still a lot of pieces in here. If I just had more time. Ran out of time today, but another example of a van who's got some pieces and parts that somebody could use. Wish somebody could do something with ceiling. I didn't bother to take the ceiling lights. They're still there. I don't really need them. The rear climate control is still there. The front. This guy is still here. I'm not going to take him, I don't guess. I did get one of the cornering lamps. Covers are already gone. But another donor vehicle. It's in Augusta if anybody wants to go take a look. These wheels are pretty stinking awesome. I did grab the center caps off of those. That one's pretty busted up right there. Anyway. All this trim stuff is still grand. Somebody should come and get it. So there you go, little adventure tale. And we'll see if I can make it work with Krusty or not. Hopefully. It looks like the bolts go right through the floor. If I can find out if I've got threaded bolts in there too, then I'll be good to go. So we'll see. Look at that load. Oh my goodness. I'm all checked out. Getting ready to hit the road. Gonna put the Augusta, Georgia pull apart in the rear view. I wish I could have filmed more, but the GoPro ran out of memory space and I didn't have time to throw the other cards in. So, got what I got. For us on the East Coast, this is kind of a few and far between for us. You guys take it easy, be safe out there, and I'll see you the next time.